Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will unbox something together. Girl, I need to go to New York City to rock this baby because, yeah, this thing is... I need to go to Brooklyn. Geneva is not enough ghetto for this. No, seriously, let me stop this game. I'm ridiculous. But yeah, if you still want to know what I'm talking about, then just keep watching because, as usual, I will show you everything. So guys, in today's video, I wanna reveal to you a bag it was a big crush. When I saw it in the magazine I was working for, I was like, oh mon dieu du ciel, I need this. I need this. This is from the 80s. This is so bling bling. This is so me. I need it. And of course, it's been a year and a half and I didn't wear it because I didn't do the, official unboxing. So I think it's time to reveal to you my Saint Laurent purchase. Or should I say Saint Laurent mistake? I need you guys to help me. So I am talking about this thing. This, I still have the tag. This boom bag. This Yves Saint Laurent bling bling boom bag. I saw this bag in a magazine, and when I saw these little crystals, this Yves Saint Laurent thing, all this shiny bling bling stuff, I was like, I need this because I don't know, I just have the feeling this is from the 80s, 90s. This is crazy. 80s, yeah, this is from the 80s. And I was like, I need this thing in my life, so I bought it. And this thing wasn't like cheap. I purchased for $1,500, which is a lot of money for a boom bag. And I bought it when it was, the huge boom bag trend. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Roger Vivier, etc., etc. And I saw this one in the magazine, and I saw in a story from a SA that lives in Miami, and I was like, I don't care, I need this. I'm not sure I will ever wear it, but I just, love how it looks. It's, for me, it looks so like original. This thing is crazy. So you have this sorry, this a big pocket, so you have a little pocket at the back, and then you have some slots to put a few cards here, and then at the back you have a bucket where you can put some stuff. We are in 2020. Are boom bags still a trend? Please let me know. Let me know. I don't know. I have no idea. Do I still see people with their Louis Vuitton boom bags? Yes. Do I still see people with their Gucci boom bags? No. Will people see me with this Saint Laurent boom bag? Probably. I will probably do a look with it because I really like it. And I don't know, now I'm just like, okay, Barbara, you waited about 2 years almost to wear your boom bag. Maybe it's too late. Maybe we don't want to see boom bags, and I don't know what to do, but this thing just looks, I need to cut this, amazing. This thing just looks like, you know. Yeah, I see myself in New York City with this. Yeah, not bad, not bad at all. So guys, I need your help. What do you guys think about this little guy here? Guys, I hope you liked this little unboxing. Don't forget to check my others video and to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Gros bisous, à bientôt, and yeah bro, this is a tough question. Bye!